Hello everybody, today I will tell you about the ZSM-5. Its name is famous among all the researchers and scientists which are working on chemistry subject. Okay, so at first I will tell you what it stands for. ZSM-5 stands for zeolite zirconium mobile. It's an aluminosilicate, means it's a framework is made by aluminum and silicon atom. Okay, it belongs to pentacyl family. I will tell you later on what is it. Okay, what is it? What is its formula? ZSM-5 having the formula NaNAlN Si96 minus N O192.16H2O, where all these 16 H2O, these water molecules, 16 water molecules are crystal water. Okay, and these aluminum and silicon and oxygen make the framework. All right, and aluminum having the 3 valency and silicon having the 4 valency. So one valency remains connected with oxygen and oxygen having the negative charge. So this negative charge is counterbalanced by this sodium species. Okay, sodium ion. Okay. It was patented by Mobil Oil Company in 1975. Mostly ZSM-5 is used for hydrocarbon isomerization. At first what is isomerization? Compound having the same molecular formula but different structure, okay, are known as isomers, and the process by which they are interconvertible to each other is known as isomerization. So ZSM-5 is used for the hydrocarbon isomerization. Alright, so I told you key what is pentacyl unit. Okay, pentacyl unit of ZSM-5 is shown here. It has, you can see, I have shown this pentacyl unit here in front of you, where you can see all the pentagon in a single unit. There are 8 pentagon in one pentacyl unit. Okay, pentacyl unit means 8 pentagon. Okay, all the pentagons are shown here separately. This one, you can count the all sides of pentagon A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is pentagon A, and you can see pentagon B, 1, this one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright, this one. There is third one, C. This front pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This having 5 sides. This is shown here. And there is another pentagon backside of C, which is B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright. And now we move towards pentagon H. This is H, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there is another one, E pentagon, this one. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright. Now there is 7th pentagon, G, which is backside of F. G is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is G. Okay, there is a front pentagon F, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 8 5-membered ring in one pentacyl unit, and you can see the vertices of this pentagon. Okay, 1, 2, you can count from one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, in all vertices there are aluminum and silicon atom. Between these aluminum and silicon atom there are oxygen atom. This makes this pentacyl unit, and ZSM-5 is made by number of pentacyl unit, many number of pentacyl unit. Alright, it was first time used as a catalyst in 1969. You can remember this date, 1969. Okay, and this was patented in 1975 and used in 1969 as catalyst. By who? Arger and Landolt. They used this ZSM-5 in 1969 as a catalyst. What are the uses of ZSM-5? It is used as a catalyst which increase the rate of reaction. Okay, so ZSM-5 used for the transformation of alcohol to gasoline, where alcohol which is converted is methanol. It can be used as a support material in catalyst. What are the support materials? Sometimes they act as a active agent. Okay, they participate in catalytic activity, and sometimes they just provide a support. They make a base for active agent. So here ZSM-5 acting as a support material in this copper supported ZSM-5 supported copper catalyst, which is used for the transformation of ethanol to acetaldehyde in temperature range 240 degree to 320 degree centigrade. Okay, so in this lecture I told you about the ZSM-5. 5 means pentasyl unit and the ZSM means zeolite Soconi mobile. Zeolite. Okay, zeolites having the formula NaNAlN Si96 minus N. Okay, 3 atoms, and fourth one is oxygen 192. Okay, and dot 16H2O, and it is belonging to which family? It belongs to which family? Pentasyl family. Okay, and what is its use? Hydrocarbon isomerization, and it was patented in 1975 by who? Patented by oil company. And ZSM-5 was used as a catalyst. When it was used as a catalyst first time, it was year 1969. Arger and Landolt used as catalyst. This ZSM-5 used as catalyst. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.